Alright guys, this video is gonna show you how to use the simple present tense and also how to form the structure of simple present tense in positive and negative sentences and also interrogative and questions. So if you want to learn about how to use and how to form simple present tense, all about simple present tense is here. Okay guys, let's go straight to the discussions of how to use the simple present tense first. Simple present tense is used to express habits or untuk menggambarkan kebiasaan. Examples: My dad always drives to work. I usually walk to school. My mom always gets up early. Here, I'm trying to describe my family habits. Yeah, the first one is my dad's habit. Second is my habit, and the third one is the habit of my mom. So when I'm talking or you are talking about habit, you can use simple present tense. Alright, let's go to the second usage of simple present tense. The second one is to talk about general truth or menggambarkan tentang kebenaran umum. So when you are talking about general truth, you can use simple present tense. Examples: Jakarta is a big city. The sun rises in the east. Sugar tastes sweet. Alright guys, I think you understand what is meant by general truths. So once again, when you are talking about general truths, you can use simple present tense. Next one, you can use simple present tense to describe repeated actions or menggambarkan kegiatan yang berulang. Examples: I go to school every weekdays. I go swimming on the weekends. Here I describe the repeated actions of mine on weekdays and on weekends. So when you are talking about repeated actions, you can also use simple present tense. I think that's all clear. Let's go to the next usage of simple present tense, that is to express unchanging situation, emotions, and wishes, or menggambarkan situasi yang tidak berubah atau emosi dan keinginan yang tidak berubah. Examples: I work for a doctor, or my job is a doctor. Yeah, it means this is not changing situations. Yeah, this is unchanging situation. I'm a doctor. It doesn't change. Yeah, it might change, but not in the recent time, of course. Okay. Berikutnya to describe feeling or unchanging feeling. I'm sorry to hear that you don't feel well. Okay. The next one, my sister or she lives in Palembang. It describes that unchanging situation of my sister. She lives in Palembang. Oke, rekan-rekan, kalau sudah jelas, mari kita lihat berikutnya. Ya, you can use simple present tense to give instruction or directions, atau memberi instruksi atau petunjuk atau arahan. Contohnya, you walk for 200 meters, then turn left. Okay. Next examples, you open your book and read it. Nah, these are examples of giving instruction or direction. You can use simple present tense. The next one, you can use simple present tense to express fixed arrangements or schedule, untuk menggambarkan pengaturan waktu yang sudah pasti atau schedule or jadwal. Examples: your exam starts at 9. Yeah, this is describing fixed arrangement. The next one, the flight departs at 7:30. It means it is talking about the schedule of the flight. The last one, you can use simple present tense to express future time, but you use it after some conjunction. Example, some conjunctions like after, when, before, as soon as, or until. Examples: he'll give it to you when you come back next Saturday. Or another examples: I'll pay you after you complete your work. Jelas ya rekan-rekan? You can celebrate after you have won the contest. I think that's all about how to use simple present tense. I'm very sure that all clear now. But before we finish, I just want to show you the summary of the usage of simple present tense here. Summary. So you can use simple present tense to describe habits. Second one is to talk about unchanging situation. The next one, you can use simple present tense to describe general truth, and also to talk about repeated actions, to give instructions or directions, also to express fixed arrangement and schedules, and the last one is to express future time after conjunctions like when, after, until, as soon as, and before. Oke guys, saya kira semuanya jelas ya bagaimana kita menggunakan atau cara menggunakan simple present tense atau when and how do we use simple present tense. Oke, untuk mengukur pemahaman kita, mari kita kerjakan tes berikut. Practice test ya. What do the following simple present tense express? Kira-kira simple present tense di bawah ini mengekspresikan apa? Number one, I don't get up early on Sundays. Apa kira-kira? Apakah ini expressing habits, general truth, repeated action, or what? Oke, silahkan dijawab. Yang kedua, I like teaching and helping others learn and develop their skills. Number three, Kia is a student and she lives in Jakarta. Four, you read your book and do your home assignment. Ya, kira-kira apa dari 7 penggunaan simple present tense yang sudah kita bahas tadi? 5. She often cries when she fails to achieve her target. 6. We can celebrate when we have won the match, not before. 7. The sun sets in the evening. 8. The moon orbits the earth once every 27.322 days. Jack trains football every Tuesday and Saturday. The last one, I will pay her after she completes her work. Oke rekan-rekan, kunci jawaban akan saya berikan di deskripsi, jadi rekan-rekan bisa cek apakah jawaban rekan-rekan sudah benar atau belum. Oke, itu tadi tentang how do we use simple present tense. Berikutnya adalah the form and structure, how to form simple present tense. Oke? Ya, form and structure of simple present tense ya. Kalau positif itu subject plus kata kerja pertama, negatif subject plus do or does depending on the subject, plus not and plus verb base. Bukan verb one tapi verb base. Karena verb base itu berbeda dengan verb one. Kalau verb base itu dia tidak ditambah apapun ya, dasar, jadi nggak ada embel-embelnya. Kalau verb one itu bisa text inflection like s atau es. Oke, berikutnya interrogatif itu formnya adalah do or does plus subject plus verb base. Kemudian questions itu question words-nya apa, when, where, what time, dan lain sebagainya, plus do or does plus subject plus verb base. Oke, kita lihat contohnya berikut ini. Ini contoh untuk subjek I, you, we, dan they. Ya. Subjek I, you, we, dan they itu plus kata kerja pertama, ya, tanpa s atau es. Examples, I go to school, you go to school, we go to school, or they go to school. Kalau di dalam negatif berarti I don't go to school, you don't go to school, we don't go to school, or they do not go to school. Examples ya. Oke, interrogatif itu polanya atau strukturnya adalah do you, do we, do they. Do you go to school? Do we go to school? Do they go to school? Examples ya. Do I go to school? Example. Kalau question itu kata tanyanya dulu, question wordnya dulu, baru kemudian do-nya. Where do you go to school? When do you go to school? How do you go to school? Examples ya. Oke. Ya, ini tadi dengan do. Kemudian untuk subjek singular person, third singular person, especially he dan she atau it atau Mr. X examples, itu ditambah dengan s. He goes to school, she goes to school, it goes to school examples ya. Oke. Kemudian kalau negatifnya ditambah dengan does not atau doesn't. He doesn't go, she doesn't go, it doesn't go, Mr. X doesn't go to school example. Ya. Kalau pertanyaan interrogatif ya, does he go to school? Does she go to school? Does Mr. X go to school? Example. Oke. Kalau questions itu ya kata tanyanya dulu atau question words-nya dulu. Where does he go to school? How does he go to school? Example. Jelas ya rekan-rekan. Ada tantangan lain di dalam bentuk ya. Simple present tense itu khususnya kata kerja tertentu yang berakhiran dengan why. So, verbs ending in y. Third person changes the y to is. So, ies. Example, fly berubah menjadi flies. She flies an aeroplane. She cries. Example, jadi ini cara mengubahnya. Exception, but if the y comes after a vowels atau vokal, itu tidak berlaku hukum hukum ini tadi ya, atau pola ini tadi. Jadi play tambah s saja, plays, pray, praise. Kemudian yang kedua, add es to verbs ending in double s atau in x atau in sh atau in ch ya atau ch. Contohnya, he passes the ball forward. She catches the train every morning. Mechanic fixes an engine trouble. Misalnya ya, ini contohnya, tambahnya. Oke. My mom often pushes me to study hard. Jelas ya rekan-rekan semuanya? Oke, semoga bermanfaat. Thanks for watching. Jangan lupa untuk tekan tombol like, subscribe, dan tuliskan komentar Anda. And see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.